So, I actually have something really cool to show you guys today. I'm sorry to interrupt our usual mining practice, but this is butterfly pea flower tea. Now check this shit out, right? Alright, so we're going to let that sit for a minute while I tell you about this. This is a tea from East Asia. It's like a beautiful little blue, I mean this doesn't really do it justice, but it's like a really beautiful blue flower, and it has like a Latin name to it too.
Clitoria ternate.
Ah, so that's why it's so hard to find. But as you can see here, it's fucking blue, y'all. This is not a trick of the light. This is a blue tea. Like, how rad is that? I got introduced to this tea from the lovely Laura, filming this, and oh my god, this is... I mean, it tastes, on its own, it tastes obviously kind of like peas. But in like a good way, if that makes sense. But there's also something else I want to show you.
Hold on one second. Let's take it over to like the bright light so they can actually see.
Oh, absolutely. Let's take it over the bright light so you can see this in all of its resplendent glory. Look at how beautiful this is. Just, my goodness. How's that look?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Now, hang on. I gotta show you something else, though. Because I got me some lemon juice over here, right? I got me some lemon juice right over here, right? Check this out. Alright, so lemon juice, right? Yellow. Pea flower tea. Blue. What color does that make? I'll give you 3 seconds to guess. 3, 2, 1. You're f***ing wrong. It's purple.
Look at that!
Oh, it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. And it I mean, I would taste it, but I don't have a mouth. Here, you, taste this. Tell me how it tastes.
Y'all, take that in. Woo.
Oh.
So, it's, lemony.
Did I over-lemon it?
No, it's fine. So, it's got that moderate pea flavor, as in the green vegetable, not the yellow. But it's like a nice herbal flavor. You could definitely taste like a little bit of that floral in it. And then, of course, you know, the citrus of the lemon. So it's really, really I'd like to say a delightful tea, but it's up to y'all. But look at that chemical reaction. That is the most badass thing I've seen.
I have dropped the chain into the glass, and that is going to be such a pain to get out.
That's a problem for later.
That's a problem for future me.
Here's Dionysus.
That's a beautiful orange boy right there. Lovely plumage. But yeah, I think that's right about all we got. So, yeah.
Thanks, y'all.